I'm at 10925 McCracken. We are in Garfield Heights. And this is a two-family. So we're gonna see the downstairs unit first. Got hardwood floors, nice big living room, coat closet. Lots of light in this house. And got a bathroom, tub shower combo, got ceramic tile. And then we've got bedrooms on either side. So back here, got one bedroom. It's got a closet. And it's a bigger bedroom here. It's got a bigger closet here. Eating kitchen. Door to the basement and the outside. Okay, heading upstairs. The upstairs is a one bedroom. It's really actually very spacious. Freshly cleaned. So walk up, here's the bedroom. So nice sized bedroom, vinyl windows, got a closet, large living room, tons of light as you can see, just a beautiful room. And then this is awesome for storage, just a huge closet. But you can see this is a really nice room. Little built-ins there. Another deep closet. Kitchen. So we got space for the fridge, range, sink and cabinets, and then eating space. Bathroom's got ceramic tile floor, linen closet, bathtub, shower, and your toilet and sink. Getting down to the basement. So we got the mechanicals over here, and then we got like kind of a rec room here. Semi-finished, drop ceiling, got carpet. So decent sized room. Got some built-in storage, little built-in desk area. Kind of a workshop area, I guess. We got the two furnaces, two hot water tanks. It's a pane. And there's that one there. I don't know what that is. Another hot water tank. Got block foundation. Updated boxes. It looks like the primary wiring is knob and tube. Old shower. Here's the workshop. Okay. Got some nice shelving down here. There we go. So there's a view of the roof. It's laying flat, a little older, but looks like it's in good shape. Aluminum siding. Driveway's in good condition. Got a two-car garage. So all the doors are open, the doors are here. So appears to be in good condition. So back of the house, and then we've got a little yard. Okay.